Welcome back guys to my Gamdo YouTube channel. It's been a month I think since I last video. Okay, so this is, I know everybody has to be know this one because this is the trending of game, but most of the game like this similar to this is game about haze, robbery, etc, etc. But I have a good idea of making similar game but with kind of twisting story mode, uh, another feature of crime, not only robbery, and any other unique features that I want to add on type of this game. So this is City Life, quite like City Life, but this is Shit Life. So yeah, this is the main menu. This is the solo we play alone, one man show. It's online still online, but you doing your like story mode of online game. And then there's also online, which is, yeah, I think I will just change online into multiplayer. Okay, play with your friend, gangbang. Done. Yeah, I think most of you know gangbang is ridiculous about uh, porn stuff or sexual stuff, but promisely, if you check gangbang is not always about what you know, but gangbang is doing crime, uh, doing crime, uh, yeah, in a group. Okay, so don't, yeah, you know what. Okay, but this is the inventory. You can buy or sell your gears, upgrade your skill. Yeah, like many other game, you can buy gear and then you can upgrade your skill. You can sell your gear in order to have your money. That's stuff. Okay, so this one, quit job or if, okay guys, I know this is not for just this is for grown up mature men, yeah. So those who play this game has to conscience that this is only game, so don't bring it into real life. Okay, so yeah, no child, no bocil, no. Okay, so this is solo. When you go to solo, and then you can choose which bank you're going to rob. So in the future I will not only about a robbery job, but also like drug dealer and other stuff, still in behind. Yeah, I think I will have to think about what kind of any crime that I will put in this game. So this is, you have just to choose which one, and let me show you another one. Solo online, I have not figured out the system yet, but it's on progress. And then I think I know, I mean, I have the blueprint, but I will just bring it into this game. Okay, so inventory, yeah, this is inventory. Okay, so I think I will just turn off this money, flying money. Okay, back to solo, and then choose like perhaps this one, and then join the haste job, and then it will bring us into a main scene. Wait, why not is it working? Oh, I think this is loading. Okay, this one. As you know that couple of this month, I think I trying to develop my like driving system, riding bicycle, riding motorcycle, even flying aircraft. And then perhaps next, I think I will just develop the uh, driving the boat, riding the jet ski and other stuff and then and this is faulting. And then as you know that we also has developed the climbing system. So that's all about the the system is not quite perfect yet, but I think because this is many program I open behind my computer. So yeah, this is, I'm not put any sound because yeah, I think I will just try to polish it with better sound, better projectile and better effect of post processing. So that's all I think guys about my progress of this game. I think November is ideal for this game to be released. And then and also in the future we'll just put any feature polishing everything. And for those who buy this game on the first release, I think I will just give them discount. And then when they buy the upgrade of further upgrade, they get discount. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Oh yeah, I think this is not FBI. I think I will just put it into local, which is Indonesian policeman. And then the other environment and level will be local to Indonesian. So yeah, so if you guys local Indonesian people, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you. See you on the next progression guys. Bye.